Hi guys, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to show you our pink Sheen satin finish interior dressing. Follow me and I'll show you how to use it. So pink Sheen interior satin finish dressing. So although it says interior, it can be used on multiple surfaces, both inside and outside the car, particularly good on things like vinyl, rubber and plastics. There's a couple of different methods of application, so depending on the size of the panel that you're doing, you can spray it directly onto the panel. However, in most instances we don't recommend this due to the proximity of things like glass and other surfaces. So what we would normally do is we'd spray it directly into the towel and then proceed to dress the surface. However, on such surfaces like this where we've got a textured finish, sometimes when applying it by a towel it doesn't actually get into the texture enough. So on this one we're going to use a microfibre applicator. So the process is going to be exactly the same. So I'm going to put a couple of sprays directly into the applicator and then I'm then going to work it in. So rather than just wiping backwards and forwards, I'm actually going to work it into the surface. Now depending on the type of finish you want, you can leave this to dry as is, or you can go over with a microfibre towel just to buff it and take any excess gloss out that you don't like. As I say, it is a satin finish interior dressing, so it's not actually extremely glossy. It's non-sticky as well, so it doesn't leave a sticky film and it doesn't attract dust. So pink Sheen is a fantastic product for dressing the interior of your car. I'm just going to show you the sort of finish that you can expect from the pink Sheen. And there you go. So as you can see, just a nice satin finish. I'll continue, I'll just dress the rest of that so I can blend that in. See? Okay, so if I was applying it on a less textured surface, so for example something like these heater vents, onto the towel, work it in. So as you see, if I leave that, that will dry and leave a nice finish, or I'll give my towel a quick flip, just go over and make sure I've not left any residual product that I don't want. And there you go, simple as that. Job done, pink Sheen. For more information, please visit our website or come and see us in store. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave us a like and subscribe and let us know down in the comments what you would like to see in our next video.